Guys, in this video we will learn how to set time zone user wise in Laravel application. So let's see with the example. So you can see that here I downloaded fresh Laravel application, and some of the things I did like install Laravel UI with the authentication and create list of post and create post page, and also I create profile page. So let me show you over here. Okay, so if I go here, you can see that I am login, and then you can see here there is a post table over like post list of all the pages post, and you can create post as well. Okay, and if you go here into the profile, so if I click on it, there is a profiles where you can change the time zone. You can see that American New York. If I submit it, okay, I can also change it like Tokyo, Asia Tokyo, then it submit. Okay, so you can change according to your, okay, what your requirement and what your user, and you can submit it. So Asia Kolkata will submitted as a time zone. And if I go here into the users table, you can see that here it will be saved over here. Okay, so what I want to do, like if I click on the post, there is a list of posts, but here you can see that creation time is displaying UTC time zone. Like if I say right now SAS and click on submit, you can see that right now we created this post, but this time is 3:20, but my time is 9:08 a.m around. Okay, so what I can change it, because my time zone I configured from the profile is Asia Kolkata. So what you need to do, so you need to create traits over here and use with the model, because it's when you go here into the resource view, and if I go to the post, you can see that simply we get from the table. Okay, like if I go here into the tables and go to the post, you can see that there is a time UTC time zone is stored over here. Okay, so simply they display from there. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to create threads and override over here to set the custom time zone of users. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply go here and create new folder, threads. Okay, inside that I will create one file that's called I will say like handles time zones. Okay, and PHP. Okay, so simply I will save it. Okay, and I will start PHP over here, and I will say trait. Okay, and give the class name. Okay, and here I will be use getter and setter. Okay, so I will simply create one function over a public function, and that's called get created at attribute. Okay, and simply remove this. Okay, and then I will simply say, okay, now I will simply say what I need to do is I also need to pass the value over here, so that's called value. And here I will be create one function this, and like convert time zone to user time zone or something, whatever you want. Okay, so here I will say value. Okay, you can give any name that you want. Okay, I will add some comment over here. Okay, and create one protected function, and then I will say convert, and here I will be set value. Okay, and simply paste it. Okay, and here I will be add comment. So here first of all I will get time zone, so simply get time zone. And first of all I will check auth colon check if user is there, and like if user is login, and then I will say auth user. Okay, and here I will be say if there is a time zone saved into the database, then what I will take, I will auth colon user, and then I will get time zone from that column. Okay, time zone. Okay, and if there is no time zone, then I will get from the app. Okay, like config helper and then app time zone, because we already have set up over here inside the app there is a time zone. Okay, so time zone key, so I will copy this and paste it over here. Okay, so that means if user is logged in, then it will take from the time zone. Okay, otherwise it will get from the config. Okay, and then I will simply return I will say carbon colon pers. Okay, and what is the value, that value, and then I will simply say time zone, and I will pass time zone that saved for user, and simply time zone, and then I will simply use format function. Okay, and format I will say y and d and h I as, okay, whatever you require that function, okay. And here, over here, I will simply use auth, okay, and I will use carbon slash carbon, both namespace I will use, and give the namespace as well, namespace app, and I will say traits, okay, traits, simply save it over here. Okay, now what I will do, I will simply go here into the model, so I will go to the post model, and here I will be use that traits, okay, and what we created handles, save it, okay, and here I will be use, okay, and simply paste it. Okay, now you can see here, you can see that into the profile I already saved Asia Kolkata and submitted it. Okay, and if I go to the post, you can see that right now creation date is not coming. Why? Because let me go here and I will simply say what time zone I'm going to get. So I will simply say time zone, save it, okay, and refresh it. Okay, Asia Kolkata I'm going to get it. So now what I'm get for the purse, so I will simply say paste it. So let me debug it. Okay, so refresh it. Yeah, 9898, yeah, that's fine. So I will simply remove this one. Okay, and if I refresh it, okay, why it's not getting that? Here we are going to get it. So if I go here, so let me remove this one because I forgot to return over here. So simply save it. Okay, and if I go and simply refresh it, you can see that there is a 98. So I already told you there is a 98 was the time. Okay, so if I go here and simply refresh, you can see that 96. But if you go to the database and refresh it, there is a UTC time zone is updated 346. Okay, so you can see that 916. Same thing if I change into the profile that's called like London Europe and submit it, and if you go to the post, you can see that time zone will be changed. For example, if I go here and I will change and Asia Tokyo and submit it and go to the post, you can see that 12:16. Okay, because if I go here like Asia Tokyo time, Asia Tokyo time now. Okay, so you can see that 12:47, and if I go to the post, you can see that 12:46 around. So you understand how easily you can set up the time zone using with the straight. Okay, same thing I will copy this for the create, and same thing I will do for updated at. So I will simply say updated at, okay, and simply save it. Okay, so same thing will work for update as well. Okay, so I hope guys you understand how easily you can create the threads and use with the model, and use user time zone and display the dates for that when created the record. Okay, so if you guys this video like, then please subscribe my channel for watching more videos. Thank you so much for watching guys.